Welcome back to Realistic DIYers. I'm Kat.
And I'm Yorgos.
We're going to have more fun with our folding, storable, portable router table that we made and you can make yourselves. We did tell you it was multi-use. We have shown you it was multi-use. We've done a planer table, a router table. What are you bringing to the table today? What am I bringing to the table today? First step. As you have seen in our series with the multi-use table, each tool is sitting attached. I can't do it because my nails are too long. Sitting attached on its very own base. It gets inserted and it gets extracted. You can see now the router is sitting there. You can see now the router is sitting there on its own base, and we just take that out. So, first step, let's attach the jigsaw and the drum sander to their own little houses. Check the link above or down below in the description to see how we make each base. It has to fit accurately. It also has to fit so the tool can be used safely. We carefully mark where we will attach the tool to the base, just making sure no part of the tool extends outside the hole where it's going to fit in and out of.
I'm going to drill a hole that is as big in diameter as the smallest blade we have. So, this small hole will give us the opportunity to run the blade for a little bit.
To make the little cut where the blade will be active, Joris does make sure the fence is set so it's parallel.
This serves two purposes. One, sawdust is going to come out of the hole. Second, because we have a very thin line here, just enough for the blade to pass, it keeps the blade without moving, without having any play in it. So I'm gonna cut 4 sections of plywood, which is the same width as the base of the jigsaw. I love using this box.
Quick and easy super glue to secure the jigsaw in place, just making sure it doesn't shuffle or shimmy side to side.
Now, when you put these supports here, just make certain that you have measured properly, because we're going to flip this base and it needs to fit. And as you can see, it cannot fit here. So I'm cutting it off, trimming it off.
So like we did with the planer, so although this is supported, it's not actually held. So when we turn it upside down, this can't fall out. So we're just going to use that level, that ledge, to hold the planer in. So we're going to put one as far back on either side as possible. One to the front, but you can see here this raises itself. One at the front, so altogether 5. And it's just catching the planer, just catching it so when you turn it over, it doesn't fall out. We do a quick trim of each piece, just to not have excess material and to keep it neater and easier to attach. Okay. It's coming to check. Right, from this point on. You know the ring I'm wearing is ruby and diamonds. Who else does DIY in ruby and diamonds?
Show us then.
Because it colour coordinates with BOSCH. You see, look. Okay, drum roll please. Moment of truth. Bye! Don't switch it on and slice your finger. Did it work? Time for a little test. Now, unlike a circular table saw, it does have a safer element where it's not kicking back to you, but do hold it firmly down. As you can see, it does lift up.
Look that there is no tear out because we made the hole just after the blade. So the blade is not moving, that was too hot, and the hole is letting some of the dust go down. All right, let's test a little bit more. Let's make the fence parallel. Sounds fun, no?
It's really satisfying when our DIY, homemade, on a budget projects also turn out totally accurate. As always, please like, subscribe and bell all. Welcome back to Realistic DIYers. I'm Kat.
Say it again. DIY. You said DIY.
Didn't?
Yeah.
You got food around your mouth.
I do.
Oh my god, no, just get it out. That's, oh my god, yeah, okay, right.
How is
Right, fine. Ish. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Each tool is attached to its... Let's go again.